Today we're going to scrap out a simple halo light that we found. We're going to start out with a little ratchet. What is it? 5/16? No, 1/4. And my philosophy when scrapping anything, or micro scrapping, is to take out as many screws, nuts, and bolts as you possibly can as you see them. Because you know they're going to get in the way later on. Now, I'm in no way rushing through this video. There's 3. Screws right on top holding this halo. What I've done is a couple of them already. One, to see what was in it. A second, to see if my philosophy was working. And this one, just for the heck of it. It's a halo light. And if you only knew what was in everything out there. Copper is everywhere, people. So if you got some time and you want to just do that. Now here, as you see, is my magnet. It's all magnetized everywhere. Except here. So I continue on my task of removing every screw or nut that's visible, and it makes life so much easier. No matter how many times I tried not to do it, it never works. Even this one, you don't know what it's for, but you know what? It'll get in the way. So we take it out. Now what do we have? Now we have this little lighting system. I got these great pair of nips. Nip that. Nip that. And then we just take out all steel. And here, copper. Now inside, what we have is some wire. And we have this little, I guess, control box in there or something. There's a little thing. Here, I'll pull it out. There it is. And here is, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know what they call it. What do they call it? This type of wire here. There's a couple flaps. And then I just yank. We'll take the rest of it out like this here. Could take this flap off here. And then just lift this plate up. And there's instructions. See, these are beautiful plug-in lights. I hate to break these things up. But I could buy something for 50 cents. And I'm not even going to be able to sell for $1. And in here you have a nice little piece of copper wire. It's copper, people. So then we just pull out this one. And this was inside. It's a beautiful piece of stainless steel, if I'm not mistaken. But the place I go to doesn't give you stainless steel prices. And here's a little something else, I'm sure. And you get 3 pieces of wire, which I usually just tie together because one's really small and I know where it is. This usually pops off real easy. couple flaps, because you want this. Now this is steel. It's just gone. You want this. Now you got it. You got this piece of I love these grippers. These things just grab on anything. And if you're semi-careful, once again, now we have little bits of steel, if you watch and see. So all these little tacks, I usually just crack open. Takes how long? And I get some exercise. See, I don't know what you people call it, but everyone goes to the gym. No, go ahead. Look, when there's a problem, these clampers just rip it out. Cut right through just about any simple. Now we have almost totally clean but for this new scrapyard that I'm working with, I'm bringing everything in clean. You know why? Because they're being real honest and they're really giving you a good price. I was going to another one and they were not nice. If they had an opportunity to take your money, they would. This is clean. And what will happen is that I'll get good price at this new scrapyard for this being clean. At the old place, didn't matter if you went to this extreme to clean it. Just give you a cheap 6 cents tin. Get out of here. It's never usually this hard, but you know how things are when you do a video. Well, maybe you don't, but everything changes. But you make it work. I didn't have trouble last time doing this. But, and now you got these two little steel nubs. Oh, and then you got the stuff inside that I did forget about, which is real easy. With this, you want to worry about slicing your skin, because this stuff is not going to there we go. Nice piece of tin. A piece of a little bit of this steel, and we have it done. I could do 2 more, but we're going to stop for the sake of this video. Nine minutes.